Alright guys, hello po sa inyong lahat. This is Capital NG Magic Land of MDC TV ng aking YouTube channel. Nandito tayo sa Enchant Fest Magician Sports Fest 2025. Lahat ng mga magaganap dito sa Magician Sports Fest, mga kalahok, basketball, chess, ML, dart, at marami pang iba. Tara, let's go!
KBM versus Nueva Ecija.
Out. Right? Ito, madali ito, oh. Ayan na. Yun. Hoy! Dito!
Hi, I am Joanna Prisaliado, Muse of Magpie. I'm Gwyneth Lauren de la Torre, and I'm the Muse of Inner Magic Club. Hi, I'm Ashanti, representative of SDC.
Dalawang nawala sa kupunan ng MDC.
Hi, Ted Bravo here from Inner Magic Club Philippines. I would like to congratulate SDC for the successful event. Still ongoing, but of course, we'd like to acknowledge all the magic organizations who joined us here today, especially our club, Inner Magic Club Philippines. A special mention to Sir George Mamaluk for our sponsor, and of course the Macau group. Thank you so much.
Good afternoon. Welcome at Enchant Fest here at the Pitan Sports Complex. So, by the way, my name is Beng Rodas, Protocol Officers and Committee Chairman ng ating Sports Fest ngayong 2025. First of all, thank you po sa ating sponsor, Sir George Mamaluk, for our very beautiful costume uniform. Sir George Mamaluk, thank you very much. And of course, Macau. Thank you very much, Sir George. Thank you, IMC. Thank you, SDC. See you again next year.
Alright, good afternoon. Nandito tayo ngayon sa
Asan na ba tayo?
Sa Sport Fest.
Sports Fest, Enchanti Fest 2025 at kami ang PMO. By the way, ako po si MC Renjo. Kung naalala nyo, kasama ko si Magic Ren, dati sa Euro TV. At nandito kami, katatapos ng aming laro. Kasama ko dito ang aming chairman, walang iba kundi si Majestic Jess. Majestic Jess, ano masasabi mo sa naging laro natin?
So, nag-enjoy naman ako kahit na konti lang tayo.
Nandito naman, isang kakampi ko kanina, walang iba. Kundi ang nag-iisang si Kuya Edo Labro na naka 2 points at Edo Labro in the house.
Yan. Hi kay Pemo family and then kay Sir Glenn sa Sport Fest namin. Okay naman yung Sport Fest, lahat nag-enjoy.
Salamat at salamat sa pagkuha ng aming storya ngayong taon. Baka hindi kami nanalo pero lumabang kami hanggang huli. Finish up! May kasama kami. Yung dalawa. Yeah, thank you, MG.
Yan. Wow, ang husay. Sige, isang oras.